my gosh.
Good call.
Yeah, indoor activity is going to be the name of the game, at least for the start of our week.
Yes, the rain has entered Portland, so it is going to stick around with us at least through today and tomorrow. Take a look from our tower camera right here. You can see the raindrops on the lens. The rain has started to fall. Early reports said it is sprinkling out there. 47 degrees. It is going to stay in the upper 40s to low 50s today. Good morning to our friends all along the coast. 52 degrees in Tillamook, 49 in Astoria, mid 40s up and down the I-5 corridor, a little cooler. 36 in Hood River and the Dalles. Take a look at the satellite and radar. You can see that mass of weather has moved on in, and it's going to be sticking with us throughout the day. We're going to see heavy rain around lunchtime in the Portland area. It's going to, relax a little bit, but then this evening and overnight, it's going to fall heavily again. We're going to have some scattered showers tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow evening and Wednesday, things dry out once again, and we're actually going to have some nice temperatures. I'll get to that in my 7-day forecast in a few minutes here, but right now, rain chances for the week, they are going to be wet today, no matter where you are along the state of Oregon. Isolated showers tomorrow morning. Things dry out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those scattered showers return on Saturday. Another thing we have to consider, wind gusts. We're going to see wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour or more along the coast today. There's going to be wind gusts that remain moving into tomorrow morning, but then things calm down a while. Zone forecast again, coast to gorge and beyond. There's going to be some storms, even chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. But take a look at that 7-day forecast. After we get through today and early tomorrow, things are going to dry out. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we could get sun and 60s, Travis and Emily. That's going to feel nice.
Ooh, looking forward to that. Thanks.